Hello everyone, this is Lego My Lego 920 back with another tier list. So I am doing a tier list of upcoming Mascot horror, all the indie horror games, that are upcoming. I fucking genuinely look forward to these types of games. So I'm gonna start off here. I'm gonna start off with Garn of Bam Bam 4. Now, I really don't care much for Garn of Bam Bam, and I haven't seen much gameplay of it. Alright, I find Garn of Bam Bam to be somewhat of a ripoff, lazy. I find the game to be somewhat rushed. So, for Garn of Bam Bam 4, I'm gonna list that in don't care. Alright, okay, I don't know what that game is right there. It might look familiar. I can't think of the title. You'll have to let me know in the comments what that game is. So I'm gonna list that under don't know much about. Alright, My Friendly Neighborhood. Oh man, I don't even know what that is. But I'm gonna put that under don't know much about over oh fuck. Okay, I guess there's alright, I guess. Alright, Hide Time 2. I don't know much on that, so I'm just gonna put that under don't know much about. Okay, Shipwrecked 64. I don't know about that game either. Yeah, there's some Mascot horror shit that I don't even know about. I don't know about Doors Floor 2. So I'm just gonna put that under don't know much about. Alright, here's the ones that I do know. Dark Deception 5. Now, I haven't seen much gameplay of Dark Deception, but I'm gonna put that under may have to check out. I would have to check out the first Dark Deceptions games first. Alright, now on to the ones that I do know. I said that already. But anyway, sorry about that. There was a Discord notification. So Salami Street Evolutions. I know the Salami Street games. I've seen gameplay of the first two Salami Street games. Even I got to like Salami Street from DA Games' song, as well as some animations that were by Crazy is Crazy. I'm not sure if Salami Street Evolutions is supposed to be the third Salami Street or a reboot, but I'm gonna list that under look forward to the most. Alright, before I get into the FNAF games, I'm gonna do Poppy Playtime Chapter 3. Now, Poppy Playtime Chapter 3, I'm most certainly looking forward to that. Because there's some new stuff that are hinting Chapter 3 from Project Playtime, even with some new secrets, because I know Chapter 1 has already updated. But yeah, I know we're getting pretty close to a Chapter 3, even with the VHS recording feeds, So for Poppy Playtime Chapter 3, I'm going to list that under look forward to the most. You know, like over Salami Street Evolutions. Alright, now to the FNAF games. I'm going to start off with the Ruin DLC for Finance Free Security Breach, because I'm hoping that could fucking make us get people to like Security Breach, you know, like where it could be mostly scary, you know. Now, Security Breach has been at like mixed reviews, where most or some people really liked it and had it to be favorite, and some didn't due to the all the glitches and the bugs, especially when it wasn't scary. Still, I do look forward to the Ruin DLC, so I'm gonna list that under look forward to the most. I could list that right here. All right. Now, finance phrase help wanted to. So, it's pretty cool with Help Wanted getting a sequel where you can play in sister location, and of course where we can finally have Pizzeria Simulator. Maybe some other new FNAF stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna list Help Wanted 2 under. Oh Jesus, sorry. There's so many Discord notifications on servers that I've joined, you know. But anyway, Help Wanted 2. I'm gonna list that under look forward to the most. Yeah, I put over Ruin. Although the Ruin DLC will probably come out before Help Wanted 2. Alright, now the Fanverse titles. Alright, so the Fanverse title I'll start off with is Five Nights at Freddy's Plus. So for Five Nights at Freddy's Plus, I'm gonna put that under over Help Wanted 2. But yeah, I know Fiznom is working so hard on Five Nights at Freddy's Plus. We might expect that to release sometime late this year. Yes. Now, Pop Goes Evergreen. I do look forward to that. Like, I know Kane Carter is having a lot of hard work of development for Evergreen with some other people working on it with him, you know. And yeah, I know Kane had controversies, you know, like where he gets so much hate for not sharing much news on Evergreen, or you know, that would give people hope. I don't know what to say about this. But yeah, I'd rather not discuss the controversy that happened recently, you know, about where he complained about a FNAF fan game Markiplier tried with a load of followers. So, all right, I'm really not gonna get concerned about that. So I'm gonna list Pop Goes Evergreen to under look forward to the most. All right. The next one I'm going to do is Five Nights Candies 4. Now, I know Emil has not shared any news like a trailer yet for Five Nights Candies 4. Like, there's a long way to go for Emil to work on Five Nights Candies 4, because he's still working on Pop Goes Evergreen. So but yes, I absolutely do look forward to Five Nights Candies 4. I'm gonna list that under look forward to the most. Oh man, so many Discord notifications. Alright. Now, the last one is the joy of creation. I know Nixon is going through some struggles for joy of creation, but I know he's still working pretty hard. So yes, I'll list joy of creation under looking forward to the most. But yeah. So this is my tier list. But yes, this tier list was created by the YouTuber Yeah, so I do thank him for making this tier list because it does look pretty fucking good so far with a lot of interests. But yeah. And with the Fanverse titles taking so long to release, by the way, we can't just think that the Fanverse is a failure or dead or anything, alright? Alright, that's not the point. Plus, I don't believe the Fanverse is failing, you know? And I don't want to believe that's failing either because it would Kane and some other developers would get irritated, you know? And I obviously know it's not dead, you know, like if it was dead, you know, like the Fanverse titles wouldn't be releasing and the Fanverse wouldn't be happening anymore. Still, let's support the Fanverse no matter what. And I do definitely look forward to Poppy Playtime Chapter 3, especially some other chapters that I'll release. Even looking forward for it to come on console. Even looking forward to a movie while I look forward to the FNAF movie itself. Yeah. But anyway, guys, this is my tier list. If you guys liked what you saw, make sure you click like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Join my Discord fan server. The link will be in the description. And I'll leave a link to this tier list in the description down below, as well as Aya's YouTube channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.